Today, we're making a delicious and nutritious sweet potato breakfast bowl. It's simple, affordable, and packed with flavor. Let's get started. Ingredients you need on the counter. First, here's what you'll need. 1 large sweet potato, 2 tablespoons of Greek yogurt, 1 tablespoon of honey or maple syrup, a handful of chopped nuts or seeds, and a pinch of cinnamon. Now to baking the sweet potato. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees or 200 degrees. While the oven is heating, wash your sweet potato thoroughly. Next, pierce the sweet potato with a fork several times. This helps it cook evenly. Place the sweet potato on a baking sheet or baking tray. Bake for about 45-50 minutes, or until it is soft when pierced with a fork. Preparing the sweet potato bowl. Once the sweet potato is baked and soft, take it out of the oven and let it cool for a few minutes until it's safe to handle. Next, carefully cut the sweet potato in half and scoop out the flesh into a bowl. Adding the ingredients. Now, mash the sweet potato with a fork until smooth. You can keep it chunky if you like more texture. Add 2 tablespoons of Greek yogurt. This adds creaminess and a boost of protein. Drizzle 1 tablespoon of honey or maple syrup over the top. This will give it a natural sweetness. Sprinkle a generous pinch of cinnamon to enhance the flavor. Topping it off. Finally, add a handful of chopped nuts or seeds. This gives the dish a nice crunch and adds healthy fats. Your sweet potato breakfast bowl is ready. It's warm, nutritious, and perfect for a healthy start to your day. Serve it as is, or you can even add a bit of your favorite fruit for extra flavor. Enjoy this comforting breakfast bowl, and remember, healthy eating doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. See you next time.